Hey, y'all gotta watch this shit here. Today we're gonna cook some shrimp creole. Here I have a pot of small shrimp. I think they 4160s. And then I use some crab oil in there and some salt. And here I have butter with green onions, a white onion, bell pepper, and celery. And saute this down. Then I'm gonna add diced tomatoes, and I'm gonna add sauce, tomato sauce, and we're gonna cook some rice. Okay, you guys, I got some tomato paste in here, and got the vegetables sauteed. We're gonna go in with some tomatoes. We're gonna go in with some sauce. Gonna add some garlic powder. Some salt. Then we're gonna add some shrimp. We're gonna add all the shrimp. And then we're gonna add a tad bit of sugar to this. Go cook some food, damn it.